4-aught defense. We're back to talk about one of my favorite revolvers, the Smith and Wesson 686. It's a double action 6-shot revolver, stainless, 4-inch. It had all the amenities and pieces that I was looking for in a revolver. I had yet to purchase myself a full caliber revolver, and this is the one that seemed to catch my eye. I use it as a home defense pistol in association with my Remington 12-gauge short barrel. And this particular 686 has Pacmire grips on it, aftermarket grips, which give it a real comfortable feel. It's very balanced, it's very accurate, has adjustable rear sights, and today we're going to get some shots downrange with it and see how it does today. Alright, we're back. We're going to now do some range testing. We're going to see how we can engage these 3 targets, 2 shots each target. The way I have this loaded up is it's 38 special first shot, and then the next shot will be 357, and it will continue in that process, 38, 357, just so you can get a feel for visually how the difference is between 38 special and 357. So we'll go ahead and start. Cylinder out, we're safe. You could obviously tell the difference between 38 special and 357. Harder hitter. It's got a much more powder charge behind it. But the fortunate thing is we have a wonderful gun. It's able to handle both rounds very easily, very comfortably. Now we're going to try something a little more fun. This way we can get an idea of impact power with the 357 Magnum round, which we have loaded into the 686 here. We're going to use hedge apples, which are on the range here, to demonstrate. And I think we'll go ahead and start. Going hot. Cylinder open, empty. So obviously 357 provides a significant impact. The explosive nature that hedge apples had, you can always count on 357 to be a wonderful personal defense round to get the job done.